Yes.
So if I save this, you will see post incoming payment. When I save, you see I will get the error. System will guide it. Error. Okay. Note down this error, everybody. SKT transaction. SKT means cash discount expense account. Now it's an expense for us, right? It's an expense.
Yes.
Why it's an expense for us?
Because we are paying to the customer.
We are giving the discount to the customer.
Discount to the
Correct? Yes.
Excuse me,
Yes, sir.
but this error was not there in accounts payable.
Really?
We got this. After some time we didn't get it.
In OVXU, table can answer this question.
For accounts payable is change.
Yeah, I showed you the error also.
Okay, yes.
Yes, sir, there was an error. There was
That is a transaction
Yes,
for
we got that.
SKE it is.
right.
Okay? Yeah. Okay, the background also I told you, right? There is a program that is already written. The program
Yes,
is
sir.
there and it is not able to
Yes,
find the
yes.
account. Correct? Yes? Okay. Okay, now you tell me what I have to do now, right? What I have to do now? I have to first, what I have to do? Yeah, so cash discount. Cash discount. Given account.
event.
It's an expense account, no? Expense account, right? Expense, not income. Expense GL account. I have to create FSW. Normal expense. It is okay. And then what? Assign the account. Assign the account in T code.
XQ.
Yeah, not XQ, XI it is. Yeah, for vendor it is XQ, for customer it is XI. Okay. For the transaction, correct? So once you give this, every time whenever the customer is paying, and if there is a cash discount, this account will be automatically what? Debited or credited? Debited. Because it's an expense, no?
Yes.
It is an expense, right? So now tell me what is the entry in our case? What will be the entry? The entry will
Bank account debited, customer account disconnected, and cash account event
Okay.
debited.
I thought only one or two will answer. So everybody is answering, yeah? Okay, so you can answer for yourself, okay? I know all of you are answering correct, yeah? But answer for yourself, okay? Now, can discount account, given an account, yeah, given expense account, right? Yeah, expense account is debited, how much? 3%. To customer. Account credit, how much?
1 lakh.
Correct. Why it is 1 lakh? Because invoice entry is this, no? 370, the open item, right? Open item is created for what amount?
1 lakh.
Customer account is debited 1 lakh. Then to sales revenue account, correct? Sales revenue account is credited. How much? 1 lakh. So this is the open item now, correct? This is open item created. Open item created. This is open item cleared, right? They should match, na?
Yes.
Right or no? That means it is always full amount, correct? So customer account will be created. How much?
Sir, can you explain currency?
What explain what? Entry, sir?
No, sir. Cash discount given expense. I will continue.
A given expense GL account.
Yes, sir.
See, we are giving the discount to the customer, right? Okay. So customer is supposed to pay me 1 lakh. Customer is supposed to pay me 1 lakh, but he is not paying 1 lakh now, right? He is giving only 97,000, correct? So we are losing how much? 3,000 rupees, right?
Yes, sir.
3,000 rupees less we are getting, na? So it's an expense, na?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's why it is cash discount given. We are giving the discount. Cash discount expense account it is.
Okay, sir. Got it.
Okay, note down everybody entry if you want to note down. So cash discount account is always debited.
So bank account debited 97,000. Yes.
Yes, correct. Money is coming in, 97,000 rupees money is coming in.
Sir, coming in is credited.
Oh, you should have asked this question long time, na? When FI started, you should have asked. No, vendor, why vendor every time I credited, na? When I am paying, every time I credited the bank account, na? At that time you did not ask me, sir, why you are crediting when I am paying, it should be debited, correct?
Okay.
Correct, na? So, see here, that is the bank account. The messages that we get when we deposit the money in the bank, when we deposit the money in the bank, they will give me a message like credited, right? That is bank account they are talking.
Okay.
Right? So there are two accounts here. One is our account, one is bank account. In our account we will debit, they will credit.
In our account credited.
Correct. You got the point, no? Now we are not talking about the bank account. Bank will always talk about their account, right? We will always talk about our account. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is a common problem. Most of the students, they get catch up here, yeah? Because we are used to the bank messages, like credited, debited. That will create all the time.
Yes, sir. A lot of confusion about this.
Yes. We should tell the bank, right, to change those messages. Correct.
bank point of view.
Yeah, they say right at the bottom, right? This is as per our books of account.
Sir, scroll up the note, right? Little bit.
Yeah, they should put a star and write this is as per our books of account. Then it will be clear.
Scroll up, sir.
Okay. Everybody ready to create, right? The most important job of a consultant, right? I told you before also, right? We will have to create the correct GL account with the correct parameters and assign it to the correct place, correct code, so that the program will run perfectly. So the program related to cash discount given expense account, it is already there. But it is not working in our case. Why? In the program that GL account is missing. Correct or not? That's why it's not working. It is showing the error. So now to make the program run, what we have to do? We have to create the account assignment. So from next time onwards, every time there is a cash discount at the time of customer payment, the system will automatically debit the cash discount given account. Automatically debit. So the user does not have to say debit this account. He does not have to say this account will be automatically debited. So from this entry, what is the automated entry here? Can you tell me in this entry? What is the automated line? This is automatically posted. Correct. How it is getting posted automatically? Because I am giving it I am giving it in automatic posting. That is OBXI SAT. Correct? Okay, let's do that. So first let me create the account of /n FS00. Okay, FS00. Now click on the expenses. Let me see if it is there. Not there. Okay, let me create cash discount given taken is here. Right? Let me copy this. And I will create as 4003. Okay, this is my cash discount taken. This incomes I will change to expense. P&L, perfect. Cash discount given is there. I will take it as taken is a given. Next, control data tab. INR only balance line item 001 normal G001 perfect. Rest all is the same. Only account to type I changed and the name I changed. That's it. Right. Okay, note down everybody.
सर ओपन पर कंसोल करो। बैंक
Okay, now click on the save. Yeah, save. This account I am creating. Good. Next, where I should give this? Auto. EXI. Okay, what chart of account? TEA. Good. Now here, cash is SKT means what? Cash discount expenses. And what is the name? Is it maintain FI configuration for automatic posting rules? Correct or not? Automatic posting. Okay. Now click on the save option. Click on the save option.
सर प्लीज show it again.
Right. So you will go like this. Go to OBX. Right.
So it's not given the account number.
Okay, OBX, right? Give your chart of account, enter, and here you will click on the FI configuration automatic posting rules, and here SKP you can see here directly, and then you can click on the save option.
So there is to give the account number also.
Yeah, if you click on the save, then only that window will open. Yeah, first you have to save. So when you save, window will come. Okay, here you will give the account number. Okay. So what is my account number? Okay, note down. Note down. Note down. Okay, done?
Yes, sir, done.
Yes. Click on the save option. Okay, done. Next. So what is our request name? That is my account receipt. Press enter. So there was a problem, I solved the problem. Correct? Yeah. Right. So now. So now can I receive the money with discount now?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, let us go there now. So I am going to /n/f-28. So I am giving the date like this. Date like this. Then giving the
Bank.
yes. Yeah, giving the bank account number, flat number, amount is how much?
97,000.
428. Not valid, na? So document simulate. Now you tell me what are the posting keys here, yeah, for this entry. What are the posting keys? 40, because it's debit, right? And then it is 15, 1 side. Correct, na? Okay, let us. Okay, document simulate. Is this correct? Bank account debit, cash discount account, even account debit, customer account credit, right?
Yes.
So this entry, how it is coming here? It is coming automatically. Yeah, so I have at the time of posting, I gave the bank account, customer account. No? I did not give this account. But system is automatically taking. Correct? Yeah, through OBXI and SKT transfer. Okay, so clear everybody? Same thing but opposite side. Yeah, that is what we are.
Yes.
Okay. Next, so that is the save option. I'm going to save, right? So what document type I will get?
For this.
DZ document, right? DZ document 14 series, correct? So document display. Okay, right? Document display header. If you go, you can see DZ document, correct? DZ document. Okay, now go like this. Okay, this is over now. Next, I am going to go to the next payment term, right? So our bank charges also I can, right? Bank charges. So let me talk about the bank charge. Bank charge.
Show the installment of
Yeah, after this,
what of the customers use.
I will show installment also. After bank charges, I will show. Okay. So bank charges. Now there is one open item. Okay. Now I will create one more open item. Yeah? Let me create. I don't have any open items now. FBL 5N. There are no open items. Right. So I will create one open item. /n FB70. Give the customer, give the date, give the amount, how much it is, say 45,000. Okay, now sales account is 3 lakh, put star here, okay. Now press enter. So now this I am posting here without any payment term, no payment term, you see now, sales. So now it is which, so when I have to pay this?
Today.
Sorry, not pay, when I have to
Immediate payment.
Customer has to net due date today only. So customer has to pay today, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So now suppose here customer is giving me a demand draft, right? He says I will give a demand draft for 45,000. Okay, which I will cancel. I have to give it to the bank, then I will get the money, right? Yeah. Now suppose in that case, very rare scenario, but we are incurring the bank charges also, right? For cancellation of the DD and other stuff. Yeah, suppose we are incurring the bank charges on a customer receipt. Yeah, so if customer is paying the bank charges, no need to worry, right? It is nothing, it will not affect our account. But customer payment, if we are incurring any bank charges, then it will affect us. Okay. So now bouncing is you are not getting the money. You are not getting. Here we are getting the money. It's the charges. Some charges we are
Bouncing is cancelled.
Okay. So now slash F dash. Yes, sir.
Here we have given added symbol, right? Now why it isn't showing?
See, you have to change, you have to save out, you have to create a new layout. This is a standard layout, right? So we have to save as a new layout, right? Here we have a save layout. If you save as a new layout, it will be there. Correct now? You have to change the layout and save it as a separate layout. Another name, another layout you have to apply. Correct? So this is a standard layout. I'm not changing it. Okay?
Oh.
Right. So now, where are we? So now here, bank charges. What it is? Suppose there are some 1,000 rupees bank charges on the customer receipt. Okay. Now, so the customer is not going to bear, right? We are going to bear bank charges. Okay. So now out of 45,000, now customer has to pay me 40,000. Now on this we are incurring how many charges? Okay, now you tell me. Now I'm going to go here. Now I'm going to /n F-28. Okay, I'm receiving the money. So I'm giving the date here like this, and I'm going to give the bank account Amount, how much?
45.
Amount,
1,09,000.
invoice is for how much?
45,000.
So how much amount I will get into my bank account after bank charges?
44,000.
So this is my bank account. I am receiving how much after discount, after bank charges? 44. So what is left now? 1,000. As you understand, when I am doing in accounts payable, I will add the bank charges because more money will go out of my bank account. But when I am in accounts receivable, I am incurring any bank charges. There I will deduct the money and the balance will come into my bank account. You understand? Correct? Yeah. Okay. Note down everybody. Now bank charges account do I have to create again and assign?
No, sir.
Right. Same account will be useful. Correct now? Yeah.
Sir.
Okay. Note down everybody how I am giving here. Note down. Note down. Sir, this is an immediate payment, sir. I have seen MP70, no payment of sir. Yes, exactly correct.
So that's why it means we have to both the packages for the AP and EM. Whether they are paying to the vendor, whether they receive from the customer. Right, sir?
Whether we are?
So we have to burn now, we have to pay that bank charges. Whether we are receiving the money, we are paying my friend.
Yeah, see, normally customer will pay, but in case you are bearing the charges, then how you are going to? So this is an option available, I am showing. But you can also push it as if you are bearing the cost. Customer is saying, I am not going to bear the bank charges. Then so you are bearing the bank charges. In that case,
Usually customer has to bear that, sir.
but your agreement with the customer is like that, right? So he is saying, otherwise I will not buy from you.
Yes.
Got it? Yeah.
But again, we will be getting the loss also.
Of course, loss. Na? You are ready to take the loss to sell your items. You need to have customers, right? So all that is an agreement, correct? Something, whatever. Not that you use
While creating bank charges, we are account, whether it is loss or expense.
loss or expense, both are same. Na? Expense, loss, both are same. Loss is an expense. They are not separated. Correct? Loss is one type of expense. Okay, now go to process open it. Now you see, even though I gave 44,000 there, system is showing only 55. Correct, you see? Again, I will show you, right? I am going to F-28 and I am giving the date like this and I am giving the bank account like this. Amount I am giving 44 only because I am receiving only 44 after bank charge. Got it? And 1,000 I am losing towards bank charges. So right, I will give my bank customer number here.
Sir, if we enter 45,000 in amount, what will happen?
Okay, what will happen? Let me show you. So if correct. So here I am getting 45,000 and 1,000 bank charges. How is it possible? Customer is not going to pay me 46,000. Na?
It will show at the front.
It's not adding. Na?
Okay.
Got it? Alright. System understands. When I give bank charges here, we are going to bear the bank charges. System will understand like that. Okay? So if customer is bearing, you don't have to give like this. You will give the entire 45. Correct?
So generally, bank will don't charge for the income step.
Bank will?
Don't charge for the income step.
Yeah. So here you have an understanding that the invoice is for 45,000, but customer is incurring bank charges that will be borne by you.
Okay.
Correct? Yeah. So he is saying at the time of sales itself we had an agreement, right? Any bank charges I am not going to bear. If you are agreeing for it, then I will buy from you.
Yes.
Correct now? So he showed you the charges also, right? So you have to take it down, right? Yeah.
Yes. Means his charges we are bearing that.
Correct. Yeah. Okay, now process open item. Now you see, correct? Tally it now. So now document simulate. Note on. Yes, sir.
In this
Here is not the case.
the customer said the first in the time of invoice, the customer said they will pay the cash. After few times they said they will pay with cash bank charges. And how can we add it?
After some time.
At the time of invoice, the customer said they will pay with cash on.
Yeah, so he is changing the payment term. Huh?
Yes, he's changing the payment term and he added the bank charges. Then we need to change it invoice, or how can we adjust that bank charges?
You can adjust now also you can do it, right? Now, bank charges I did not tell anything before itself, right? Now, can I give 500 rupees bank charges? I tell you, no? Right or not? Now, this entry I can post without bank charges? Yes. With bank charges? Yes. Correct or not? Correct? Only thing is I am giving this 1000 there, no? That is only difference. No? Bank charges, I have not mentioned before, right? Directly I am giving here, correct or not? I did not create a payment term for bank charges. No?
Sir, for a cash payment, why will bank will charge for? He's asking for cash payment.
That's what. First of all, for cash, customer will not come. Cash paying, customer is a credit transaction. Correct or not? Cash is giving the cash, why he will ask you his name? You take the cash, you sell the product. Finish. Correct or not?
Yes.
There are so many things. Okay, done. Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. That's it. Finish. So now document display. Okay, debit the bank account, debit. So I am only discussing what all the options we have. In FS 28, I have a bank charges option is there. I have to show you, right? That's why I am showing you. Okay, how it works. Okay, now. So this is it now. Bank account debited, bank charges account debited, customer account credited.
Sir.
Okay? Yeah.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
in accounts payable, we have created automatic payment processing for bank charges.
Correct.
Is it enough for this only, sir?
Yeah, bank, there also it is expense, here also expense. No?
Yes, sir, for both vendor and customer.
You can use it for both. There also bank charges is an expense, here also expense, right? So the thing you can use. No need to create separate.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay, next. So now I am going to discuss about the installment. Okay?
Sir, one show the bank charges data.
Bank charges entry, yeah?
Data. Yeah.
Okay, not on. Yeah, not on. Okay?
Yes.
Good, next. Background noise is there. So now, next thing what I have is, what I am going to discuss is the installment payment term. Installment payment term. Now what is my installment payment term? I already created 0055, correct? Yeah? Yeah, so it is already there. This you can use it for customer also, right? Okay, let me check once again. So I will go to OBBL And in OBBA position, what is the payment term? 0055. When I open 0055, yes, you can use it for customer also. Fine, no problem. So how many installments I have here? Installment 1, 50%, 001. Installment 2, 30%, 0050. Correct. Installment 3, 20%, NT 60. Okay, fine. Okay, got it. So where I get
fourth installment will be
we want to create
another installment.
this position is for everybody.
OBB9.
Correct? OBB9, yeah. OBB9. That is where we have given. Here we have not given all this. No? Position, what is the payment term? 00. So already 3 are there. I can give a fourth line. No? That's it. Correct or not? Yeah?
Yes.
New entries give the fourth line. That's it. Okay, so now I am going to put FBL1N. Let me check any open item. No open item. Correct? Now, slash N FB70. So, I am giving my date, amount 1 lakh. To make it easy, I am giving 1 lakh again. And the puts are here, and my payment term would be double. Perfect. In installment. Okay. Installment payment term. Yeah. Save. Perfect. Okay. Now if I go to FBL5N, can you tell me how many open items I will have? 3 open items. Right? You know, right? Yeah.
Yeah, 50%, 30%.
Yeah, 50%, 30%, 20%.
20%.
Correct? So one customer is supposed to pay me on 1st December. Second is supposed to pay me after 30 days. Another 60 days. Here? Okay. So now customer, now I am going to receive the money now. Now customer wants, let me test you, right? Let me test how much you are confident here, right? So customer wants to pay first 2 installments. Wants to pay 2 installments. Installment. Okay. So installment 1 and installment 2 he wants to pay. And the bank charges, he wants us to bear the bank charges. Bank charges of 600 rupees. Okay, now tell me, okay, I am going to receive it. So everybody noted now, bank charges how much? 600. And how many installments? 2 installments. Which installments? One is 50,000. Another one is 30,000. Correct? Okay. So now 50,000 is on which payment term?
001.
0001, right? And 30,000 is on which payment term?
00.
Okay, now you have to tell me now, right? Let us see how many of you will be correct. Okay, so I'm receiving this money and I'm giving the bank account. Amount you tell me. Bank charges how much? 600. Tell me the amount here.
78,500.
500. Okay, everybody write down. Try to write down the entry, right? 4-line entry will be there, right? Because there is 4-line entry will be there or not? 4-line or 3-line?
4
What? Yeah. So there is a discount is there and bank charges.
Bank charges count.
Yeah. Write down and tell me the right correct amount.
78,800.
78,800.
800.
Total 1 lakh, right?
Only
Total amount is 1 lakh, right?
total amount is 1 lakh. There are 3 installments: 50, 30, and 20. Customer is paying only first. So let me write down the entry, right? Entry, right? Bank account debit. Okay, I will leave it. Bank charges account. Debit. How much? 600. Then cash account, given account, debit. This is also debit. Okay, how much? 900.
900.
Why 900? Because discount is only on the 30,000 here. There is no discount on the 50,000, na? Only discount is on the 30,000. Correct? Now let's see. So debit, and then credit. Credit what? Customer account credit. How much?
80,000. 80,000.
Yeah, this is where the most of the people will do the mistake, right? If you go wrong here, I always tell you, you always have to take full amount, na? Always full amount. So in the previous case also I told you, I discussed separately, right? Open item cleared, full amount. Full amount. I keep repeating, right? If you take after discount, your entry will not tally. Open item will not get cleared, na? Correct or not? How much I should take? 80,000. If you take 70 after discount here, then bank account also will be different. Correct? It will not tally. Yeah, now tell me what is the amount here?
78,500.
Is it tallying? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's do that. Okay, so I am going here. How much I have to give here? 78,500. Then give the customer number. Process open item. Okay, so it's not tallying, na? Why? You know.
You have to give
Correct? Okay, so document simulate 4-line entry. Debit, credit. Correct? Okay. So document display. If you want to note down the entry. Same thing, whatever I discussed, same thing.
Once you said that FPL file and case.
Yeah, I will. Okay.
cash discount will be credit, sir.
Cash discount will be even here.
No, in AP account payable.
It is credited there. There it is paid. Correct.
Yeah.
Because it's income there. Here it is expense.
Yes, thank you.
Okay.
Sir, are you hearing me?
Sorry?
Sir, are you hearing me?
Yes, I am able to hear. Tell me.
Sir, my account is locked in SN04. How to unlock?
In the server, huh?
Yes, sir.
You connect with admin, they will help you out. Yeah, account is locked. I don't see that. Yeah, they will take it. Okay, then thank you guys. So we have completed. Yes.
Sorry sir, but I'm not getting how you calculated that 900.
Okay, others please go on mute. Somebody got a doubt here. Please go on mute. Okay, now see, she has a doubt. Why we got this 900? Correct. There are two installments. Yeah, there are two installments. No? First installment is 50%, 50,000. 0001 means immediate. No? So there is no discount, no? On the 50,000. Will you agree or not?
Yes, sir. 50 will come.
So, yeah, now this 30,000 second installment is on 0050. Right? 0050 means what? Before 10 days you have to 3%.
3% discount.
So this 3% is on. 3% is on. This is 3% of 30,000. That is equal to 90. 900. Good.
Sir, kindly show the starting notes, sir.
Today's notes, sir.
Yes.
Today's class is too much loud, sir.
Yeah, loud, no, because everybody is excited because they know all this already in accounts stage.
Some people, sir, get lost with concentration.
Yeah. So once the subject something they do not know, they start now. In the 1-2 classes it will start. Again it will little low. Yeah. No problem. So others, those who know answers, please answer for yourself. No need to unmute and speak. Correct. Yeah.
So kindly scroll down.
Scroll down.
But did they consider a bank charges in the SEC?
A bank charges, you need a table, right? You need to maintain a bank charges table. You have to maintain and all that, right? That's why not required. Leave it.
Hello, sir.
Bank charges, you have to have a slab, like 1,000 to 2,000, this much percentage, like that. You need to maintain a table. Yeah.
Hello, sir. Can you see the printing device what we are using? I don't know.
Printing L01.
LP01.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Sir,
Yes.
F-52 is used for what? I mean, it is showing for incoming payment, but whereas in that type and account are with vendor related. Yeah, this one, sir.
Post incoming payment vendor. Yeah. Will rarely use. If vendor is making the payment, refund payment.
Actually, by default, I have posted, sir. I mean, here I changed account type, but I didn't change this type KZ. And I have posted the customer invoice and it got posted, sir.
It will get posted, but that is not correct, na?
Yes, sir. How to make it
Reverse.
reverse, okay.
Okay, FBR reverse. Yeah.
Sure. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, then thank you guys. We'll meet tomorrow. Tomorrow I will talk about the advances. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Advances. And class will start early, right? I know. I understand. It was starting little bit late early. Few weeks back because your senior batch they were having so many doubts. Now it will start promptly. Yeah. So log in at 7:30. Yeah. 1 or 2 minutes here and there, but not too much delayed. Yeah. So tomorrow onwards it will be on time.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.